Welcome to the latest update program. The news of the moment is International Day to Combat Islamophobia. The UN General Assembly adopted a resolution to declare March 15 as International Day to Combat Islamophobia. The resolution was introduced by Pakistan on behalf of the Organization of Islamic Cooperation, that is OIC. Apart from the 57 OIC countries, the resolution was sponsored by 8 other countries, including Russia and China. India expressed deep concern about elevating the phobia against one religion to the level of an international day to the exclusion of all the others. India cited that as a pluralistic and democratic country, India has always welcomed those persecuted around the world for their faith or belief. Further, India said that incidents like destruction of the Bamiyan Buddhas in Afghanistan, violation of Gurdwara premises, etc., contributes to the rise of contemporary forms of religiophobia against non-Abrahamic religions. Dear viewers, to watch this topic in Hindi, please visit our Hindi YouTube channel.